Drowning in project chaos, let's transform that mess into a streamlined, collaborative masterpiece using Basecamp. First, let's create a team. Teams are your departments, groups, or even client-specific hubs. Look to the left of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Team. Click on that. A pop-up will appear prompting you to name your team. Be descriptive. For example, Marketing Department, Website Redesign Team, or even Client Acme Corp. Type your team name in the box. Now, it's time to add your team members. Basecamp will suggest people in your company. You can type their names or email addresses in the search box, then click on their name to add them. Click the blue Add These People button when you're done. Congratulations, your team is ready. Next, let's create a project within that team. Find your team and then click the New Project button. Similar to creating a team, a pop-up will appear asking you to name your project. Be specific and informative. For example, Q for marketing campaign or website redesign phase. Untype your project name in the box. And that's it. Your project is created. Now you can use Basecamp tools like to-do lists, message boards, and schedules to manage every aspect of the project. Now you're equipped to transform chaos into clarity, foster seamless collaboration, and conquer your projects with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Basecamp tips.